Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about a topic that actually most people fail to do, and this is the mistake I did. In my first year, I did not follow this plan, and I was failing miserably in my online business. So I'll cover everything in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you need any help with if your affiliate marketing business, I have a free training from my mentor Sebastian Gomez. Go ahead and check it out. It's absolutely amazing training and absolutely free. You can go ahead and check it out. And if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin. So I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button as well. So coming back to today's topic, the thing that you need to follow in order to be successful online business is follow a business plan. So most people, what they do, once they come online, in order to make money online, they just go to Google and start typing how to make money online fast, or I don't know what all keywords that Google gives. And once they start following it, someone says go ahead and do a YouTube, so they go ahead and create their video. And somebody says go ahead and take affiliate products and run Facebook ads, and they do that. And you go ahead, someone says SEO is great, and you go ahead and create a blog post, and they go to join many Facebook groups online, and they see a lot of which strategy is working best, and they try everything for 3 months. Again, they don't see any results, and everything back to zero. And they start feeling like, oh, affiliate marketing is not for me, maybe I have to start e-commerce. So and the same thing will happen again with e-commerce, and they will feel again they are running in circles and actually not going anywhere else. And this happens because when you don't have a business plan. So what I meant by business plan is if for me it took 12 months to make my first dollar online, that is $25, for which I was creating a website for someone. I have learned so much things, so I was creating a website for someone, and I charged $25 for it. So it took me 1 year, in order, because I was running in circles, and even that was also not my actual goal. So you need to come up with a business plan, and you need to stick with it and take, when I say business plan, it could be anything. You need to have a step-by-step action plan, what you're going to do next. And when you don't have that, you sit on your laptop, you start doing one thing, and that doesn't happen, you start doing another thing. So actually nothing is going to work. And maybe if you're already taking consistent actions for at least 4 months, let's say, and you're not seeing any results, and what it will happen, when you jump from one thing to another, when you're not seeing results, you start doubting yourself, you start doubting about the product, you start doubting about the niche. So and you start giving up, and you try different thing, and again you do the same thing for another 6 months or maybe 4 months, and again you give up. So actually what happens, you're not gonna see those results, and you will start feeling frustrated because nothing is working for you. Actually, if you consider one business plan and stick with at least 1 year and take massive action, actually you're gonna see the results. Maybe that result is very soon than you expect, but you need to keep consistent and start taking that action. And maybe the steps, in order to come up with a business plan, you may need to, it could be very simple thing, picking up your niche and picking up your product and picking up your traffic source, and keep producing content around that topic for a particular period of time, because you will not be able to judge anything for a small period of time. Maybe you are doing something for 4 months and you're not seeing results. Don't give up, just keep doing it until you succeed, and it will happen. Maybe if you spent 1 or 2 years and you have put all your hard work, still you're not seeing results, then something must be wrong with your strategy or a product, or something else could be wrong with it. And you can come to a conclusion, because with only by taking action only for 2 months, you can't come to a conclusion, this is not working for me, that is not working for me. You can't do that. And also, if you are stuck right now, you don't know what is a business plan you're going to choose, you have no idea whatsoever business experience, in that case I would suggest you go ahead and invest in yourself. What I meant by investing in yourself is go ahead and buy a book that teaches you how to come up with a business plan. Even in your college days, you might have heard something about a business plan. A lesson must be there, everybody goes through in their degree, and it was just a theoretical, and it doesn't make sense. Maybe it makes sense once you start implementing those steps in your business. So it's very important that even they tell you in the college lesson, entrepreneurship and management lesson, I had this subject where they told you step by step actions like what you need to do in order to build a successful business, but it never really made sense for me, like because I was not taking action. Once I start implementing those steps here, like it all starts making sense. And now go ahead and invest in yourself. It could be a coaching, it could be a course, or anything that will actually help you come up with your business plan. And once you have that plan, stick with it. And once you keep doing that, like for a year, maybe you're building a fitness brand, you worked hard for 6 months, you built list everything whatever has been told in that course, and you're not seeing any results. But from month 6 to month 12, you're actually going to see results from your email list. Once you start seeing those results, you will actually feel like, oh, that was not that hard, like what I was actually thinking, and I was frustrated initially. And then you go ahead and expand your business again. So this is what happens. This concept is very simple. Just come up with a plan, business plan, before taking action. Make a outline of your plan and stick with it for at least for a year in order to judge that and take a massive imperfect action. And if you're not able to come up with your own business plan, take help from someone who is already successful, because this will actually it's a kind of shortcut, you could say, because if you want to do it everything on your own, like it's gonna take some time. But if you want to follow somebody who is already successful, if you don't want to buy a course, you can go ahead and check their profile. You can model like how they are doing it, like what things are working for them, how you can implement it in your business. So these things are actual shortcut to your business, your success. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you need any help, or if you need any guidance with respect to affiliate marketing, be sure to go ahead and check out the free training, link in the description. I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.